Alright guys, welcome to the kitchen. We got ourselves a portable dishwasher. We've got ourselves a small kitchen here that does not have a dishwasher. And we've done a lot of hand washing of dishes for many years now. And while I'm fine with that, I thought I'd give a dishwasher a try. And wanted to know if it would come in handy or if we'd like it. So I thought I'd start with a portable one before we rip out a cabinet and put one in permanently, maybe one day down the road. So we just got this one. Actually, somebody was getting rid of it, so it's free. And it's in decent condition. It needs some cleaning. But, you know, this is the bare bones. The bones seem good. So we're going to give this dishwasher a try. All right. I like that it's a simple thing. Nothing bells, whistles, lights. Okay. So the way this works is I've got two hookups here. One's water, one's power. All right. So we got our power here. We'll run that second. You can see these come out and then they actually go back in. They feed in very nicely and then they hide in the dishwasher. So I can roll this. It's got wheels and I can send it away and it acts as a nice little cutting board food prep surface by the oven when we're not using it. Very smooth, very nice. I like it. The most important thing is my wife likes it. So, all right. So we're going to have this about here because we'll be running it at night after the kids go to bed. And it's got the second attachment here. This is our water line. You can see I've got two lines here. So this on my sink is, I've taken off the aerator. And I've got two pieces here. The first is a quick attach. Pops in here. Pops in here. Pops in here, right? Guess I have to push this down. There you go. Pops in there. Quick attach and then quick release. All right, it'll get quicker as I get used to it. All right, and then the second piece actually is this one here. This is a male hose end on the bottom screwing into this. This is the female hose. And then it's a female aerator attachment here. So if you have something like this, you're going to have to make sure when you take off your aerator, you're going to have to take this to your home improvement store, wherever you go, and they'll probably have a tool, and you can just thread this right on to the tool they have there and figure out what thread size you have. And from there, you can look at what they sell and match it to the threads that they sell. So I got a match here. I think this is a 290A thread. It's got some other numbers that I don't remember, but that was enough for me. And I got home, and it was the perfect match. So I got my female adapter for the aerator and my male side for the hose. And then we quick attach here. You'll see I have two black water lines here. One is sending, one is receiving. So when I turn on the water is going to flow through here. The dishwasher is going to do its cycle. And the end of it, it's going to pump it out here. And on the bottom of this, it's got a hole. And the water's just going to go right down the drain, and bye-bye. So we're going to give this a go. We've got some cleaning solution we're going to run through first without any dishes in there, just to make sure everything's all clean. And I'm excited to see how this turns out. So I'll let you know if we like it or not. Otherwise, we'll see this on the curb in a couple days. But I think it's going to work out for us. All right, so we've got the power. Got everything plugged in here. All right, normally these outlets are plugged, but I unplugged another one just to run the dishwasher. Now I've got a rag here because I guess the old quick attach thing has a little bit of a leak. That's not the new fitting, that's actually coming up from down in there. But I can just block that with, I got a chip clip, a rag, and it's gonna drape over that and shield any spray. I don't need to put a bag over it or anything because the bag would just fill up and get weighed down and fall off. So this will act as a shield and then drip down. The water's on, just gonna do hot water because what I have in here is a little cleaner thing that the directions are to put it in here, run the hottest cycle. It's got a wax seal. The hot cycle is going to melt the wax seal, let out the cleaner. We're gonna wash it on heavy and dishwasher should be clean. So get a good look at what it was before. I got some dry mildew buildup, you know. I can always hand scrub this. Let's open this up. Oh yeah, all that can get washed away too. And okay, old school, I like this. So we don't want a delay start. Just gonna run the pump first. So right now you can see that's spitting out some water. I ran a quick test a moment ago and it's spitting out whatever water it had just sucked up. So once the pump pumps out the old water, which it is done now, I'm actually gonna bypass it and not let it finish manual or automatically. I'm gonna manually bypass it. Okay, it's gonna rest. Now it's gonna start filling. You hear that? Okay. So that's taking water in now. I'm gonna leave this on for the whole time we're running the dishwasher. It's only gonna take water when it needs to. You'll notice this is not spraying anymore because the water pressure is not there built up. It'll spray in there. But once it stops taking it again, I would hear it spraying gently again. And I'll know that the dishwasher isn't taking any more water, it's just using what's in it. So it's only gonna take it as it needs it. It's not gonna just run incessantly and use up tons of water as this runs for hours. Don't worry about that. So I got on heavy wash. It's gonna run a cycle and we'll show you how clean it is afterwards. All right, our cycles are done. Let's see. I don't know if you can tell, but this is a whole lot cleaner. So I opened it up just to double check it before I turned on the camera. There was still a little of the mildew in this corner here, and I wiped it out. Wiped out so easily while this was all warm though. And then this up here, I guess the previous owners must have washed washcloths in here or something because it had some fibers, cloth-like fibers in there. So, but that just pops off, and I was able to clean it out. So this is ready to go. You know, that's just mostly discoloration, I think, from the heat. A little bit of mildew maybe, but a lot of it's just from being heated all the time. And I don't think I'm not worried about that messing with my dishes. So I'm gonna run a load and we'll see how this goes. I'm excited. Well guys, last night I tried out the dishwasher, filled it full of dishes, and it ran beautifully. I was very happy. I just, you know, I'm still gonna wash all the food off, but I'm just not gonna soap everything up. So a plumber friend of mine said, you know, it's not good to put filthy, dirty dishes in the dishwasher because the buildup will happen faster, and that makes sense to me. So I got everything just rinsed off real quick and loaded up, and it washed beautifully. The dishwasher works like you'd expect. It sounds like such a simple, basic thing, but this is a really big thing for us. You know, last night, instead of spending another 30 minutes hand washing dishes, maybe even 45 minutes, my wife and I wiped off the table after the dishes were in the dishwasher, sat down, played a game, talked, and it was very nice, very refreshing. I'm really looking forward to evening times, being able to you know, work on some other projects, clean up some corners of the house where I constantly leaving, you know, screws, nails, papers, receipts, that sort of stuff. Any flat surface in the house collects. So, you know, I never usually have time to clean up little things like that, and I can tell it bugs my wife. So, I'm looking forward to having time to get to these little details that have been neglected for a while. All because we now have a working dishwasher. Seems small, it's big for me. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy this sneak peek into our life. Take care. Thank you.